All right, welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to be making a massive smash burger. Now I've been craving this for a couple days, so I'm glad I finally get to do it. So let's bring you in here, check out these ingredients and see what we're working with. All right, so we're starting off, we got an egg here. I'm gonna put an egg on this one, got a little thing to make a nice circle. This is the bun. I don't think this bun's gonna be big enough, but we're gonna make do with what we got. We got 2 slices of thick cut bacon, and then this is with all the onion and everything in there, it's about 9 ounces. So this is gonna be a pretty big burger. Looking forward to this. All right, well let's get this griddle started, get the cook going. We got the Blackstone heated up. Let's start off with some bacon. Some nice thick cut bacon. Now I'm gonna let this cook about halfway done or so, and before I throw the burger on, because I don't want, you know, burger being done before the bacon and all that good stuff. Now I forgot to say when we were talking about the ingredients, I am adding more stuff. I got lettuce, mayo, ketchup. It's just getting dark out, so I'm trying to hurry up and get this done. But yeah, we're just gonna let this bacon cook up good, and it's well on its way, so bring you back. All right, let's give this bacon a flip, but first let's get some of this bacon grease right here. That's where we're gonna put the burger. Oh yeah, all right, cool. And we got, this burner's off, this one's on low, these two are on medium high. Let's put this monstrosity on here, see what we get. Now that's about I think it's a little over 9 ounces, and it does have some onions in it, but yeah, that's what we got going here. Got some parchment paper, got the big dog here. And that's a really big smash burger. All right, here we go. Now, you know what? I'm gonna get the egg going too. Might as well while we're here. All right, put a little oil on my fingers. The inside of this lubed up. Keeps from the egg sticking. All right. Boom, we're gonna put that, you know, we're gonna put it right over here, because that's where the, need a towel. There we go. All right. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Yeah, we got like we're right around 300. All right, let's throw this egg on then. Ooh. We're running. Stop that. Oh, it broke. Oh well. I'm gonna be mixing it up anyways, actually. Thank you, dear. Alright, there we go. Mix that up. Right there, put a little salt and pepper in it. Alright, mix it up a little more, and then we wait. Alright. Now, we need another minute on that, so. Alright, so the bacon's done. Move that over. Let's see what's going on with this guy. It could have went on a little bit longer, but we're okay. Let's get this flipped over a little bit. Let that finish just like so. And we're getting ready to flip this guy. Yep. Give that just another hot second. All right, let's give this egg a flip now. There we go. Now, I wish we didn't lose all that stuff. Probably could have done 2 eggs and that would have been good, but oh well. Let's give this burger a flip. Ooh, man, that thing is big. Ooh, man, that looks good. Got a little caramelization going on them onions. Ooh, man. You know what? I'm gonna keep you right there to keep a little pressure on it. This bacon is definitely done. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this stuff sit, and just about time to cook this or eat this up. All right, let's see what we got. The edges cooked up real nice. It just kind of poops up in the middle, so that's no problem though. I'm just gonna put it back over for just a second. I'm gonna put a little weight on it with the spatula. Let that sit. See, I got the bun. I put the mayo on the bun. Let's put a little ketchup on there. Gonna put some pickle right below, or right on top of the ketchup. That's the bottom bun. So, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna take this off. I think we're good. I don't like it all the way done, anyways. So we're good. Let's kill the heat. Boom. Just gonna put it right here. Get a little bit of this grease off. Yeah, that's fine. All right. There we go. Yeah, these blue shop towels, they do wonders. All right. Boom. There we go with that. Let's put let's put this on first, the patty. Ooh, look at that. Way bigger than the bun, but that's okay. That is okay. All right. Let's put a little bacon on here. Ooh, a little hot. There we go. Throw this egg on here. Oh. Go. Here we go. Throw the lettuce on. Actually, let's throw a couple more pickles. Boom, some lettuce. Boom, there we go. So we got the ketchup on the bottom. We got everything on there. Let's bring you guys in and check this thing out. All right, so y'all see that. Now let's cut this thing in half here. Gotta cut through that bacon. Got a little ketchup and mayo squeezing out. That's good. All right, let's see what we got here. Got people honking at me. All right, so that's what we got. That looks amazing. Ooh. You know, all right, now let's give this thing a taste. Ooh. I don't even know where to pick it up from. There we go. Ooh. That is amazing. Nice and greasy. That bacon. Ooh. That egg. Got these pickles. This is all good right here. Gotta use thick cut bacon on your burgers, you guys. Got to. Alright, well, that's all I got. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. I'm gonna go eat my dinner, so thank you for coming. See you on the next one.